Welcome back to the channel, everyone, for another 22 WRX video. As you can see, we already got the car on the quick jacks. We got the wheels taken off over here. Got the new wheels right here, so you already know what we're gonna be doing. Let's get these things loaded up and into our Jeep, and we'll head to the tire shop. Fortunato said about a week ago that the coils were 2 to 3 weeks out, so figured I might as well just get the wheels put on now, so they should be here in the next week or so. So when I get the suspension put on, I can really dial in the fitment and everything with the new wheels and everything on. So let me get you guys set up, and we're gonna get these wheels and tires loaded into the other vehicle, and let's go to the tire shop. Just a quick update. We just left the tire shop. Sorry I couldn't record or anything while we were there, but got all the tires mounted and balanced, so we're on the way home and we'll get these wheels put on. So see you guys back at the garage. So we're back at the garage. Couldn't wait. I just threw them right on the car when we got back, put the car back on the ground, put the quick jacks back on the wall. So let's go check it out. All right, so it is the next day. It was getting a little dark, so didn't want to take too many more videos or any more pictures. I will get more pictures of this setup once it's nicer out. It's really overcast today, so not ideal either. Let me get a view from the back. But these are the 18 by 9.5 plus 38. These are the Roku. So car definitely needs a drop. So within a week or two, the coil should be here and we should be able to finish this setup up. Well, that's all I got for you guys on this one. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. Let's get it.